Somali families in Leicester are getting to know the region better by exploring its historic waterways. A week of activities kicked off today with a boat trip on the River Soar.
It's part of a programme organised by the charity, the Canal and River Trust and the Somali Community Parents Association, an organisation that helps families from a range of nationalities settle in the city. Amy Harris reports.
Swapping the city for life in the slow lane. Somali families are getting to know Leicester better through a week of activities on its historic waterways, starting with this narrowboat trip on the River Soar.
Normally people see, trains, cars, buses, but this is a different way of exploring the country where you live, and it helps them to learn and, have a think about it. Yeah, that is.
And they're enjoying it?
Yes, they did, yeah. You can see, you can tell, yeah.
I've never been on a boat before and it's really fun.
I like feeding the ducks.
I'm enjoying that there's lily pads and there's fields with animals and cows, and I really like it.
But this cruise provided by the Baldwin Trust wasn't just about enjoying the views.
That's it, keep going, push.
There was a chance to get hands-on too.
We go through the gate now.
The aim, to inspire members of the Somali community to explore and enjoy their local canals.
Trips like this are great because I think they give people a completely different perspective. They might know that the canal and the river goes through the city, but they might never have even thought about getting down there, having a walk, and it's the same goes for everybody really. Loads of people love the waterways, really enjoy them, but a lot of people don't even know how much they can get out of them as well.
It's hoped this experience will not only give these inner city families the chance to try something new, but also show off some of the best spots to get away from it all. Amy Harris, BBC East Midlands Today, on the River Soar.